Hi students, here I am going to explain multiplications of fractions. In previous class I have given introduction about multiplications of fractions. Here I am going to solve some more problems. Here see, look at here. What is the given question number 13? What is the given question? 9 7 by 8 into 7 1 by 9. Here see, given fractions are in mixed fraction. Already I told many times. Fractions convert into normal fractions. We cannot solve mixed fractions, so we have to convert mixed fractions into normal fractions. How to convert into normal fractions? Multiply these two and add this one and write this total result in numerator. Denominator repeats as it is. 8 9 ja 72 plus 7 79. Write in numerator, and denominator repeats as it is. Next 9 7 ja 63 and add 1 64. Write in numerator, and denominator repeat as it is. You will get normal fraction like this. 79 by 8 into 64 by 9. In multiplications, when you are doing multiplications, we can cancel numerator and denominator with the same table. Numerator and denominator we can cancel like this or like this, or in cross section also we can cancel. Only for multiplication, already repeated. We can cancel in cross section also, we can cancel with the same table like this, or this cross also we can cancel with the same table if possible. If possible, this cross also we can cancel with the same table. When same table is possible in two numbers, you can cancel. That is only for into. When we are doing multiplication only we can cancel. If in case addition subtraction should not do. When addition and subtraction are there, they are different terms. When into is there, that is belongs to same term. So same term we can cancel. In same term we can cancel. Different terms we cannot cancel. So only into there we can cancel. Okay, we can cancel. Into is there, no, we can cancel in cross section. Cross numbers we can cancel. 8 and 64. 8 1 ja 8 8 ja 64. Now what is the final remaining? 79 into 8. Remaining numerators are 79 into 8. Remaining denominators are 1 into 9. Multiply numerators, multiply denominators. You will get after multiplication 632 by 9. Then if you divide 632 divided with 9, you will get 9 7 is 63, 0 after subtracting 0, take down 2 into not possible 0 times. So 9 0 is 0. Now finally 2 remainder. What is the answer? 72 by 9. 72 by 9 is the answer. Now I want to give one more example. Yes, see, 2 by 4 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 5. Here given fraction is 2 by 4 into 2 by 4 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 5. Now you can cancel in cross section also, you can cancel, no, cross numbers also you can cancel with whenever multiplication is there we can cancel with the same table. But when you are cancelling, take care, one numerator and one denominator with cancel with the same table. Only one numerator and one denominator. Here one numerator and one denominator cancel with 5 table. 5 1 jar 5 1 jar. Now here also we can cancel. 2 and 8 cancel with the 2 table. 2 1 jar 2 4 jar. Yes, is there any possible to cancel here like this or like this, any cross section or anywhere? One numerator and one, when you are cancelling, one numerator and one denominator with same table, cancel with same table. Here one numerator and one denominator cancel with 2 table. Now here one numerator and one denominator cancel with 5 table. So after cancelling, finally remaining is 1 into 1 into 3 by 4 into 4 into 5. Remind here one thing, should not cancel same denominators or same numerators. Be careful. You should not cancel same denominators and same numerator should not be cancelled. When you are cancelling, cancel one numerator and one denominator with same table. Here one numerator and one denominator with 5 table. One numerator and one denominator with 2 table. We cancel like that. But we should not cancel denominators. We should not cancel numerators. That you have to remind it. See, some will cancel 2, 4, 4. No, should not possible. Not possible. It is both are in denominator. No, both denominators should not be cancelled. Only one numerator and one denominator should be cancelled. Okay. Now finally, what is remaining? 1 into 3. 1 into 1 into 3. Remaining numerators are 1 into 1 into 3. Remaining denominators are 4 into 4 into 1. The result is 1 1 jar 1, 1 3 jar 3. 4 4 jar 16, 16 1 jar 16. This is the final answer. Such a way how to multiply the fractions. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.